What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be walking you through my very own FiveM custom restaurant player-owned script that I made. I've had a lot of trouble in the past finding the right script for me. I didn't like to do a whole bunch of coding in the config to set up the restaurants and things like that. So I made this script a whole lot easier to go ahead and set up a player-owned restaurant for them to be able to cook, send invoices, get their ingredients, and do everything they need to do for a FiveM business to run properly. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Everything that you see in here, you're able to set up with a simple command. You don't have to go in your config file, set coordinates or anything like that. It's all done by a simple command. Customers can third eye where you set this menu location at through a command, and then go ahead and open up a custom menu. Restaurant owners will pretty much make their picture, and then you upload the picture inside of the. Okay, for owners and employees, you can set up a whole bunch of different stations. So with this command, set appliance, you can go ahead and set any appliance: a register, a stove, a grill, a fryer, a oven, a microwave, a blender, a drink station. Whatever you need, you can go ahead and set up with a simple command, even that menu that I showed you earlier. Owners can open up the register. They can view sale logs, so they can see all the previous sales. They could also view their account balance. They could withdraw their funds, hire employees, fire employees, pay employees, and then also manage pay rates. So depending on their grade, you can go ahead and change their specific pay. As far as these props here, you can go ahead and third eye them. And this is where you can go ahead and put the food for the customer. They can third eye on their side and then go ahead and take out the food. I configured it with multiple different scripts to match the restaurants. So all you gotta do is do set food tray. You can select which one that you want. So for an example, we'll select this, continue, and then you could set it to wherever you want to set it to. You could even go through it if you don't like that one to figure out which one that you want to set for that ability to go ahead and third eye and share the food with your customer. And this is all editable in the config. You can put your own props. You can do whatever you need to do. Here are the drink station. You can set up drink stations. So when you open up the drink station menu, you have all the items here. You have the ingredients for them, and you go ahead and cook it as long as you have the ingredients. You have your grills. Like I said, all these stations are configured through a command. So you don't got to go in your config file. You don't have to do any coding. It's all inside of the command. So if I want to cook some bacon, I can go ahead and cook some bacon. I'm just going to go ahead and put it right in my pocket. Then we have our fryers. So same thing. You have all your ingredients that you can go ahead, all your items that you can go ahead and cook. You have your blenders. Like I said, there's more stations that you could set up. You could even edit whatever ones that you want to add inside of the config. But for this specific restaurant, these are all the stations that it really needs. And then here you have your oven. So restaurant owners, and you can manage you can manage permissions for this and stuff like that inside of your config. But this is the ingredient stash. So all your ingredients for your items will be in here. It is going to charge the person who's taking it out. That's why me specifically for my city, I have it set to restaurant owners can only access this themselves. So if I want to go ahead and take out 10 eggs, it's going to charge me for those 10 eggs. And then what I pretty much do is I pretty much go here to the receipt box and I put in all the items for my employees. That way they can get out of here for free and they don't get charged from that other menu over there. So when it comes to sending invoices, whoever's standing around the register will go ahead. You'll see their name here. You can click on invoice, click the amount that you want to invoice them, and then you can leave the note, whatever orders that item or whatever you want to put for the note. And then it sends them the invoice, and I'll show you what it looks like on their side. As you can see on the bottom here, this is the invoice, chicken and waffles, $20. You can go ahead and pay now, and it's gonna go all inside of the red. Thank y'all for watching the video. If you guys have any questions about the script, if you guys want to purchase a script, visit our TEBX or go ahead and visit our Discord for support.